good afternoon mga pips. Yan mga ka-kitchen, nagluto na naman tayo. Okay, today is Wednesday mga ka-kitchen. Yan. From Lisa's Kitchen. Babu! Hello guys! Good afternoon. Nandito naman tayo sa kusina ni Lisa's Kitchen guys. Yan guys, ang luto natin for today. Ready to deliver na to guys from Lisa's Kitchen. Hello, good afternoon. Wednesday. Yan guys, luto natin for today. Ang ating pansit na Pinoy from Lisa's Kitchen. Yan guys, ready na to deliver yan guys. Thank you for watching from Lisa's Kitchen. Babu! Yan ang ating menu for today. Yan guys, Filipino spaghetti from Lisa's Kitchen and Lisa Jean Sibusa. Babu! Hello mga ka-kitchen, nandito naman tayo sa Lisa's Kitchen. Yan guys, nagluto tayo ng lumpiang manok guys. Yan guys, masarap to, lumpiang Pinoy. Yan, from Lisa's Kitchen guys. Yan guys, ang ating mga pasilip. Yan, luto na yan. Ready to deliver. Thank you Lord. Natapos din kahit paano. Again, thank you from Lisa's Kitchen. Babu!
Yeah.
Good morning guys! Yan guys, today is Tuesday. Nagawa ko ng breakfast sa aking mahal sa buhay. Yan guys. And then, ito ang sa akin. Yan lang guys. Thank you for watching from Lisa's Kitchen. Babu! The reason you overthink is because someone in your life that you trusted and loved hurt you. And they just didn't hurt you a little bit. They hurt you bad and the wounds were deep. So now you had to start predicting every scenario. You had to be hyper vigilant on protecting yourself. You had to know who was good and who was bad. You had to develop skills that are hurting you today because of somebody that hurts you early on in your life. You've got the ability to walk into a room and determine if it's a good place to be or a bad place. You can meet somebody and you know if they're good or if they're bad almost instantly. You think of every single scenario in your head. You think of a way out. You think of all the good things and all the bad things that can happen. You've got this amazing sense to tell if somebody is telling the truth or lying to you. And one thing that you don't ever is lie to an overthinker. They know almost instantly. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone. Nandito naman tayo sa Lisa's Kitchen. Yan guys, nagluto tayo ng sinugbang pampano. Yan guys, ready to eat. Ito ang paborito ng anak ko guys. Ito lang ang pang-dinner niya for today. Today is Wednesday. Yan guys, from Lisa's Kitchen. Luto ng ating sinugbang isda. Bye-bye, love you all. Hey guys, balik tayo sa Lisa's Kitchen guys. Mag-story tayo guys. Nakasagot na ba mo upuan guys? Yan ang tao na akala mo mabait. Yun pala, hakitang tao lang pala. Yan, hindi mo ba na... Hello guys, meron naman tayo sa kusina ni Lisa's Kitchen guys. Nagluto tayo ng pasta guys, with chicken. Dito naman tayo sa kusina. Guys. Tuslo sa suka ka dyan. Suka. Wow. Hello mga ka-kitchen. Luto tayo guys ng adobong talong. Yan. Yung ating adobo na. Adobo na. Hello guys. Hello. Good afternoon. Yan guys. Luto naman tayo ng adobong talong. Parang may ulam tayo guys. Lunch at saka dinner. Ayan, ang luto natin for today. From Lisa's Kitchen. Adobong talong. Babus. Guys, ang ating luto for today. Yan guys no. Yung ano natin. Kainan na! Yan, sino man ang craving yan, ha? Yan na, thank you! Alam mo na kung sino may-ari ito. Thank you so much, Babu, from Lisa's Kitchen. Yan guys, ang ating hopyang baboy for today from Lisa's Kitchen. Babu. Yan guys. So guys, welcome back to Lisa's Kitchen guys. Ito ang niluto natin guys. Sa ating dinner. Yan lang guys. So, simpleng dinner lang to guys. So, yan, from Lisa's Kitchen. Babu.